Rough surf lashed the coastline. Roads have been washed away and for over 50 hours. This house in Rodanthe
is an American thing to do.
To our brothers and sisters of Mother Earth, we are deeply saddened at what happened with Hurricane Sandy, but we will become stronger together, and we will get through this.
The effects from Hurricane Sandy are felt all around the world.
Us here at WWS Verterra would just like to reach out to the other ACE members affected by Hurricane Sandy. We wanted to let you know that you are always in our thoughts.
And we are here for you to help you get through this tragedy.
There is hope beyond this trial, like the beauty of nature beyond this hurricane.
Hurricane Sandy was a very tragic and harmful occurrence that affected the lives of millions of people on the eastern seaboard.
Americans are strong though, and will pull through together to get through this.
And we'll come out even stronger.
As shown through Hurricane Sandy, nature can harm us, but it can also hurt us, and we should protect it nonetheless.
To all those affected by the storm, you're in our thoughts.
We at Wheaton, Warrenville South know that you can fight your way through this ordeal.
While New York may have been devastated by Sandy's winds, the important thing to remember is that it also destroyed the Jersey Shore, and that's what truly matters.
From all of us here at Verterra in Chicago,
we send you our happiest thoughts.
Love Verterra from Wheaton, Warrenville South High School.